Hey everybody, if you've seen this, you know a lot of people in the comment section were worried about if you dropped it, and I did throw it just to see what happened, and it just ended up breaking this after a few tosses. But I made this to add to it just for peace of mind for people that are scared to death of 22 LR shells for some reason. But if you want a better, more traditional way, I am a leather man, and like this right here will hold 6 357 shells or 25 22 mag shells, and I can put whatever you want on it. And this was done with a laser. A lot of things I do with stamps and making press tools. This one will hold about 8 or 9 22 LR shells. It's got USA pressed on the back. These are made to hold about 5 or 6 22 mag shells. I think this one holds 10. Come see me, Daniel Franklin, SouthernCharmHolsters.com. Working on a Colt holster right now. I got a lot to finish with it. And there's the Colt. That's actually for an 8-inch. Mine's a 6, but it don't matter. I can always adjust the barrel length on a holster. Y'all come see me. Have a good day. Bye.